Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you are tuning in again. And today I'm coming at you with a review video on all the gorgeous items I received from Laladaisy. If you follow my Instagram, you saw that I received several items from them, like a whole bunch actually. And I've been using them for the past 2 to 3 weeks, so I'm going to tell you guys what I think of them. And if you follow my blog, bffwithkimberlycanes.com, you know that I am brutally honest. So I will tell you like it is. I do not believe in fake reviews. This is where you get the real deal, people. So stick with me and grab a snack, grab a drink, get comfy, and let's do this. So first of all, for those of you who haven't heard of Laladaisy, Laladaisy.com is actually a website where you can go to order high-end premium products like all kinds of lotions, creams, makeup, hair products, skin, anything like that. You can find it there for 20 to 60% off the retail price. Yes, you heard it right. Items you are using right now and that are breaking your budget, when you order from them, you'll save so much money. Go check it out, laladaisy.com. I cannot tell you enough how much money this website is going to save you. So check it out. I will put all the information below the video too. I'll include my coupon code so you guys can get an extra 15% off. And we'll take it from there. So guys, the first item I'm going to discuss is the Pureology Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. And wait a minute. Shut the door. This shampoo smells gorgeous. I cannot explain it. I wish you guys could smell it, but it smells like incense. Like incense, so fragrant, so nice. It's like gorgeous. So anyway, I used it twice so far. And I have to say it is perfect if you have a lot of buildup on your hair, if you use a lot of product in your hair and it's like really, you really need to wash it and get it out. This is perfect for that because your hair gets so soft from it. It's like so flowy and soft. It's like baby hair. It's really, it's like a baby hair. So this is ideal for that. And yeah, I would absolutely recommend it. Now in the store, when I went to check out how much this was, it was like $30, which is like ridiculous because I'm not spending $30 on a shampoo that I don't know whether it's gonna work or not. But then on Laladaisy, you can get it for like $10 cheaper. And if you use my coupon code, you can get it for even cheaper. So enough said, it speaks for itself. I would absolutely recommend this if you have a lot of product buildup, if you have coarse hair and you want it really soft. This is bomb. So check it out. And the next product is going to be the Dark Volume Powder. And this actually reminded me of a spray can, like a spray paint can. I cannot say whether this is a good product or not because I haven't used it yet. I'm actually really excited about using it because it's supposed to I think it adds like color to your hair and makes it voluminous. So I will absolutely use it in the future. I will let you guys know probably on my Instagram or social media whether I like it or not, but I haven't used it yet. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I cannot say whether I like it or not. And well, the next item, guys, is this palette, which is the palette from the Balm Cosmetics. It's the Nude Tude palette, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It comes with a little brush, and this is what it looks like. I actually did a mini Instagram tutorial for it that I haven't posted yet, so I might still post it. I'm not sure. I have to see. But these colors are absolutely stunning. I think regardless of what your skin tone is, this would be ideal because it has the lighter shades and the darker shades. So you can mix and match. And the names of the shades are really cute. We got snobby, sultry, seductive, sophisticated, selfish, sassy. So if any of those match your personality, go for it. So laladaisy.com, you can get this one at a fierce discount too. So check it out. Okay guys, so the next item is my favorite of all of them. All the items I received, this is the one I cannot do without anymore. I even went on to the Laladaisy website to try to order some more, and I couldn't because it was sold out. So I'm gonna have to figure out something. I'm gonna have to keep checking to see when it's available, because this is life. I'm telling you, it's the Restoring Collagen Recovery Eye Gel from Image Clinical Skincare, and it is absolutely a must-have. And I sound like an infomercial, I know it, but this stuff actually works. So basically, you would go like this, pump a little on your finger and put it under your eyes and above your eyelids, and then you instantly notice a difference. Like, I would put this on like if I didn't get a lot of sleep, and I would look bright and awake and gorgeous, and it's just fabulous. So check this out if you need some freshening up underneath your eyes. If you have fine lines, wrinkles, you don't sleep enough, you have dark circles, this is my new go-to. And I've been using an eye cream for as long as I can remember. And this has replaced the eye cream that I was using. So that's all I'm going to say, because I sound like an infomercial and I don't want to sound like an infomercial. The only bad thing about this is that it's a very small container, and I went through this. It's probably going to run out this coming week. So I'd say this container lasts about a month. So I'd say get it if you like it. I recommend it. I don't know what else to say. I'm not going to try to convince you guys. You just have to try it and see for yourself. So on to the next item, which is the Bioelements Crucial Moisturizing Cream, which is, it actually smells kind of flower, like a flower. And this is just a very moisturizing cream if you have really dry skin. It's for extremely dry skin. I've used it several times. Now my skin is combination skin, so it's already kind of greasy, so I would only use this at nighttime, not during the daytime, because it would just get too greasy. But yeah, so if you have really dry skin, this is something you can try. I haven't tried it too many times, so I can't really say anything about it, you know, anything convincing about it, but, you know, it's worth a try. Then the Boost Repairing Daily Power C Serum from Glow Beauty. I should say it's an oil more than a serum. See, this is what it looks like. And I have only used this one time. I kind of don't like using oils on my skin because, like I said, it's already kind of greasy, and I feel like if I add more grease to it, just gets greasy. I only used it one time at nighttime, since it is a repairing serum, and at nighttime is when your skin repairs itself. So I figured might as well try to enhance it a little bit, and I use this. I will be using it more though, because I'm very curious to see if it works. So it doesn't really smell strong at all. It smells very pleasant. So if you're looking for a skin serum that's age-defying and gives you your daily power C, this might be it for you. Laladaisy.com. Next we have Babelash. This is a fabulous mascara. I've used it one time. No, actually I've used it twice. This is so impressive. The one time I swiped it across my lash, I had to do a double take because it is really good. So you can get it on laladaisy.com. Check it out. I don't have a bad thing to say about this one. It reaches every lash. I'm wearing falsies right now, so don't get it twisted. But yeah, so check that out. Babelash Volumizing Mascara. And then, let's see, I'm going off this list because there's so many things that I got. This Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Facial Mask is fabulous. It's cooling on your skin, which is really nice because it's like you just splashed cold water on your face. So check it out. I demoed it on my Instagram, so if you want to see, check that out. And I love the fact that it's pink, so it's very girl friendly. And then I also demoed this one on my Instagram. This is the gorgeous Fever lipstick by Youngblood Cosmetics, and it's a perfect summer red. It's bright red, not dark red, it's bright red, and I don't have a bad thing to say about this one either. So next is the Milky Lotion Cleanser by, I don't know how to say this, guys, Epionce. Epionce. It looks like Beyonce, but I'd say Epionce or Epionce. I don't know. I hope I'm saying it right, but look below the video. I'll list all the items below the video. And this is just a cleansing lotion. And I would just put this bottle. I've used it several times, as you can see. There's already some missing. I just keep this bottle in the shower, and every time I take a shower and I want to wash my face, this is what I use. It's quick. You just pump several pumps on your hand, rub it on your wet face, massage it in, rinse it off. It gets the job done. The last item is the Pressed Mineral Blush by Youngblood Cosmetics. Youngblood Cosmetics. And I like this. It's like a magnet case. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. And it's in the shade Blossom. And it's perfect. It's matte for your cheekbones. I used it once. I'll be using it again. I have no complaints. So those were all the items I received from Laladaisy.com. You can go there, go to the website, check them out, see if there's anything you like. They have a whole bunch of more brands, other brands, all kinds of good stuff. Check them out. If you want to save some money, that's the place to go. Well, guys, that was it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you to Laladaisy for sponsoring this video and providing me with all these gorgeous items that I'm now totally hooked on. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Sound off in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel so we can keep the party going. And that's it. And I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.